A man can row 3 by 4 of a kilometer against the stream in 11.25 minutes and returns in 7.5 minutes. Find the speed of the man in still water. Now, in boats and streams topic, we have the assumptions like this. A is the speed of swimmer or ship in still water. B is the speed of the water body. So upstream speed becomes A minus B, downstream speed becomes A plus B. Now the man is rowing 3/4 of a kilometer. That means 0.750 or basically 0.75 kilometer against the stream. Against the stream, that is upstream, in 11.25 minutes. Now we want the speed in kilometers per hour. Here we are given 11.25 minutes. The man is covering a distance of 0.75 kilometers. So we want the speed. So we want the distance covered in 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. We can easily cross multiply and get the answer. So x is equal to 0.75 into 60 divided by 11.25. Now we can easily eliminate the decimal, because in numerator we had 2 digits after the decimal point and in the denominator as well. So we have eliminated the decimal point. Now you can see that the denominator is divisible by 3 as well as 5. That means it will be divisible by 15. And both the values in the numerator are divisible by 15 as well. So let's divide it by 15. So 15 sevens are 105 and we have 75, and here it will be 15 fours are. So it will become 75 gets cancelled out. You get x is equal to 4 kilometers. So we get A minus B as 4. Now let's do the similar thing for returning. Now while going it was upstream, so obviously while returning it will be downstream. So let's do it over here. Exact similar data. So 7.5 minutes, we have 0.75. So in 60 minutes, it will be how much? Let's assume y over here. So y will be 0.75 into 60 divided by 7.5. So solving this, eliminating the decimal. So here you get 750 and here you get 75. So solving, we get y is equal to 6. So a plus b is equal to 6. That's the equation we get here. Find the speed of the man in still water. Still water is A. So we have to find out A. So we add these two equations. So while adding, minus B plus B gets cancelled out. On the left hand side, we have 2A is equal to 4 plus 6, that is 10. And therefore A is equal to 5. So the answer is option C.